Diamond Shows at Anati. Today I'll be showing you batik cotton and cotton silk sarees, all in the price range of 1190. It goes up to 1500. People who would like to buy these sarees, there'll be a link that will be posted in the description. Click on the link to look at all these sarees. Let's get started. First, we have a nice mambar yellow with red. It's got a hand batik border on either sides of the saree and batik hand buttas all over the body, hand block, and a batik block printed pallu, a plain yellow color blouse. Price at 1190. That was hand block, and we have another range. This is hand painted buttas on batik cotton. So this has got a very pretty patli sari. So from the shoulder till the pallu, you have this very pretty batik hand painted design that comes along, and it comes with a nice mustard color blouse, and this is going to be the pleat portion. Price at 1390. Next we have a mustard with a black, again with hand painted booties. Price at 1390. A nice floral pattern in the lower half of the saree. It's a single-sided border. It's a beautiful mustard with black combination. So that's going to be the whole body. A nice black color hand-painted pallu and a running blouse. Priced at 1190. Next we have a white with red. A nice color combination. So this has got a nice raising pattern. So it's got beautiful sun buttas and nice hand-painted batik patterns running along the body. And that is going to be the pallu, a beautiful red color pallu and a plain white color blouse. It's got a nice raising pattern, priced at 1390. Next we have a lavender. It's a dark lavender with hand-painted maple leaf pattern in the borders. Very, very pretty white borders on either sides. It's got a crack design along with maple leaf designs running along in the borders. And that's going to be the pallu and a plain dark lavender color blouse. Price at 1390. Next we have a red with a black combination. Again a hand painted pattern in the borders. It's got a round circle pattern, half circle pattern running along in the borders, and beautiful batik patterns all over the body. A nice pallu and a plain blouse. So all these are mull cottons, very easy to carry, very, very soft, drapes like a dream. Price at 1390. Next we have a nice lavender with a dark navy blue, price at 1190. So this has got a nice traditional batik blocks all over the body and in the borders. A very pretty navy blue color pallu and a plain blouse. Price at 1190. Next we have a Rama green with navy blue combination. Again beautiful hand painted pattern all over the body and in the borders. Tiny buttas in the body. Price at 1390. It's got shapes in the borders, very different saree. And that's going to be the pallu and a plain running blouse. Priced at 1390. So as we are showing batik, we also thought we'll show you few in cotton silks. So this is going to be a pink with a maroon combination. Silver jari borders on either sides of the saree. Nice leaf patterns all over the body. Batik blocks in the borders in maroon. A jari pallu with batik prints in it and a plain maroon color blouse. Price at 1290. Next we have a Rama green with navy blue combination. Price at 1290. Silver jari borders on either sides of the saree. The whole body and in the borders have beautiful batik patterns, blocks in it. A jari pallu along with navy blue batik patterns, a plain navy blue color blouse. Priced at 1290. I think you have enjoyed today's video. So please stay tuned to our page and follow us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube for more interesting videos. Thank you and stay tuned. Bye-bye.